Boom. Headlight restoration kit. Dirty ass headlights. We need to clean these puppies up. Check this out, peeps. I'm on Discord right now with the Grimmies. Grimmies, say something, Grimmies, even though no one could hear you. He said, oh, hello. Okay, but on a serious note, we need to clean these fucking headlights up pretty bad. They don't look that dirty on camera, but they're kind of semi-foggy and it's really annoying me. And I've had this kit just sitting here, so I might as well utilize it, right? Let's go. Even with the flashlight on, you could barely tell. You only tell like on the edges, but trust me, they're kind of foggy and I don't like it. Ooh! Clean headlights. Okay, I think you can tell the difference on camera now. Look at that shit. You know those little scratches, those are still drying. I just sprayed on the last little coat of the sealant and it looks really fucking beautiful. Next thing we gotta do, take that out, and take that little orange piece out. We're gonna clear out these headlights. Now you may be looking at me wondering why I have my hood on now. And let me tell you why. Ignore that bullshit in the back. It's dark outside. Very dark outside. Ooh, what is this? SPT? I got an SPT intake. Oh, looks brand new. I got it used really cheap. Couldn't pass that up. We have that to install. And we have one more thing. Well, this doesn't look like my car. Because it's Ginny's car! Oh!
Are you ready? Are you guys ready?
Oh, cop box game, baby. Alright, Chinny's on. I turned my camera on before I showed Chins what I picked up, so. First reaction, baby.
You too?
What
the? Dude, what the? This is crazy. Holy
SPT
shit.
intake, extra cheap, online. Facebook Marketplace, thank you very much. Oh, yeah, okay. This is, for anyone that doesn't know before we tries to roast me right now, Chins, I'm going to tell you something about this intake too. This intake was an option from Subaru for the 04 to 07 STIs. And you think of WXs, right? This intake is made to go on a stock tune. You could run this intake on a stock tune. This is literally the only intake you could safely run on a stock tune.
Oh, wow.
It's like, it is. Trust me. I know people that have ran this, and I've done my research. This is the only one you could run on a stock tune. But I won't be running stock tune for very long. Tee. No.
The more you know, because I didn't know it. I don't know the box that we're gonna have to take off.
Yes, Chinnies. Take that box off. Easy. This intake is super easy. Snorkel comes off. Elbow comes off. Airbox comes off. There's a long fucking 10mm bolt on the bottom, if I remember correctly. If it's anything like, it should be just like my STI was on the hatch. And that's about it. And there's one bolt right here. And it comes off very, very easy. This intake is like the easiest intake you'll ever do on in your fucking life on a turbo car. Let's do this. Hello down there, WRX. Chinnies has successfully done his first mod by himself. I'm gonna take the intake off. I told him what to do, but I made him do it. He's gotta learn. Is that right, Chinnies?
Yes, sir. I just want to learn. You know, I have no fucking experience in this, so. Or I do, but not
to this extent.
Engine-wise, yeah.
Yeah, modifying. Maintenance, yes. Modifying, no.
No, so.
It's alright. Now we gotta get everything out. Yeah, we just gotta get everything out. Look, hey, I'm telling you. Intakes on this car, fucking easy. Oh, Chins is rich. He got the whole fucking box set up and everything. And he's got money. So we're gonna set up the box. We're gonna set up the piping itself. Is literally one pipe and moving the map over and setting up the box. Is gonna probably take the longest. And that'll be it. We're done already. Bloop. One silicone hose. Check. Ignore my mess. One set of hardware, check. No, some of these bolts are for the fucking, for the box mounts, and the other one's for the mass airflow sensor hardware. They're giving you hardware for that. Good looking out cob. Of course, you got a filter in there. And now we have the fun box down here, which is the actual air box. You open all this stuff on Chinnies?
Yeah, I opened it.
Open that side, Chinnies. I can open with one hand. But la 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 la. Ooh, yes, daddy. And you're gonna flex with this cob box. Oh.
So happy.
Oh yes, daddy.
Look, the best part,
You know the best part?
Stickers!
Oh, yeah.
Yes, sir.
Napa know-how. Alright, let's see. Yeah, so let's get everything ready. Get the box out. And let's set it on in. Yes, sir. See, I knew Cobb had increased the prices of their intakes and shit, but damn, look at this new box, dude. It looks way better than the old box. And they got a Cobb plate on here, so you could technically pop this shit off if you didn't want to run it. You can make it look completely stock with the stock metal box. I don't know, it might look pretty cool. This is sick. This is really fucking sick. Look at that. It's been 5 minutes already, almost done. Okay, tell you guys right now. That's how you do this. One bolt here. Reuse this bolt. One nut and a bolt here included in the kit. And it does come with an extra bolt, but we use the stock one because Chins has the bracket. So we're running bracket underneath the box. Box on top of bracket. Same bolt. That bracket goes into here. You put this down. Screw that in. Screw that in. And you're pretty much done. All we gotta do is put a clamp on here too. Clamp on here. And filter. And we're done. Oh, and the math. Don't forget to move your math. But leave this on. You don't want to get shit in there.
Okay.
You see how easy that is? Literally, it's been about 30 minutes and we're pretty much done. We just gotta put the lid on and the math. And that's it. We're done, skis. How you feel, Chinese, right now?
Extra blast.
Extra blast. Wait till we go on the test ride.
Oh,
I'm going with you because we gotta record your reaction.
let's go, dude. I'm down, dude.
Okay, we'll be back. Woo, buddy, whole car's back together. Well, where's you? All we need is one more thing. One more thing. Whoop. This is it.
Put it right here.
For all my California folks, put that wherever you want. Make it symmetrical. Put it like right there.
Like right there? Okay.
Hell yeah. All my California folks know what we need this for. Oh, shit. Look at Chins. Oh, yeah.
Look right there.
No pressure, baby. Ooh. Damn, carb legal intake system. Ow! I feel this looks
That's
good.
what that means? It's carb legal?
Yeah. So this is like carb numbers right here.
Shit.
Carb legal sticker. Now we're ready to flash the map and go take a little test ride.
Oh my god, dude!
Do it again. Do it again. Let off.
Oh my god, bro! Oh, dude, that's so fucking crazy. Oh my god, man, did you hear that?
Yes.
Holy shit!
Sounds so
dude.
good.
Oh my gosh, it sounds so good, dude. This is crazy, dude. Thank you.
Oh, yes, sir.
Oh my god, dude, this is incredible.
This is incredible. This is what you wanted, Chinies. Damn, boy. You know, one thing I didn't mention, this is actually Chin's first turbo car. So he's not used to hearing a bunch of turbo noises, which is why he's really excited right now. It's his first turbo car. First one, Chinies. How's it treating you well?
Oh, it's great, man. It is wonderful. It's a wonderful car.
Very first turbo car, very good first turbo car to go with. So like I've told him before, you don't need a bypass valve for these cars. Just get an intake and you'll be able to hear that turbo spool up. Give it to us, Chinies. Give us a little spool. Oh, oh yes.
I'm not gonna get over that anytime soon.
Never. You never get over turbo spool.
I don't think I'm ever gonna get over that.
Even me, I've gone through a lot of turbo cars and I'm not over turbo spool whatsoever, dude. I love the sound of turbo spool. I'm just like, if you would have heard my FP Black turbo do that thing, I'll insert a clip right here. Sounded like a fucking jet or something. The FP Black spools up so fucking beautifully. We're just gonna enjoy the ride real quick and let Chinies just enjoy the sights and sounds of turbos. Oof! I just finished eating. Had to take a little break after installing Chin's intake and going for that test ride. But now it's this guy's turn to go install his intake. We gotta do that real quick. Get that done. And I don't even know if I'm gonna take the car for a test drive today. Maybe I will. Maybe I'll just wait till it's daytime. Probably wait till it's daytime. Let's go get this intake installed. Ooh, damn, that looks cool. Ooh.
Oh my god.
Oh shit, red light. I mean green light. Oh, it sounds amazing, boys. I hope that sound gets picked up on camera because it's like a. I don't know if it's actually gonna get picked up on camera, but it sounds really, really good. Look at that racer right there. Look at this dude. Look at this fucking dude. Come on. Go forward, fam. Do it! There he goes. Here he comes. The great Fambino. Damn, you can throw that tongue. Look at him throw that tongue. Hey, fam. Yes, sir. All the boys are back in town. Oh, 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 oh. We all here, baby. Together, get it, Adriel. Get it, Adriel. Get it, girl. Get it, girl. Oh, oh. Let's go in sport mode. Go to sport mode now.
Oh shit!
He's in sport mode. Hey, Chinese, how you liking that intake?
Good.
Good?
It's crazy. It's fucking so nice.
Like,
dude.
oh,
Every single time I drive this car, I bust.
Oh.
Before I busted, but.
Now we're just waiting for Adriel to get one. He's the only one. Awkward.
No, he has everything on stock because it's it's not his car yet.
Damn.
It's paid off. So I think that's what. He told
Well,
me.
there's other plans.
There is other plans. Secret plans.
Won't be unfolded probably in like another year or so.
Give it a year.
But it doesn't take over access to Japan.
Let's see how this roof wrap's holding up. Only OGs remember the roof wrap, Adriel. Only OGs remember that shit. It's still holding up.
Everybody says that we did such a good job on that.
Wrap my whole car this color, Adriel? Still an option. Wrap my whole car this color? It's still an option, remember?
You want to?
Okay. Let me say something right now.
Yes.
Adriel knows this. When I had my hatch, I almost wrapped my hatch that whole color. And then I decided to go with the satin gold dust, whatever the fuck it was. So maybe wrap this STI that whole color?
I can see it. I can see it.
With the white wheels?
Hey, why don't we start off by doing little bits and pieces of it that color? I got extra wrap.
I mean, if I'm gonna do it, you know I'm just gonna jump right into it and go balls deep.
Oh, you're right, you're right.
Damn, the outdoor results. Look how clean these headlights are. This has to go, this has to go, and that orange in there has to go though. But these headlights are looking fucking beautiful. Ooh. Shut up! Ocean views, baby! It's windy. We're by the beach. Face recovery required. Okay, face recovery required. Can you put my mask on now? Now that we passed the sign? There. Let me avoid the $100 fine because I don't got money like these boys behind me. Rich gang. Oh look, there we are. Woo! Oh, stay in my arms if you dare. Strawberry acai lemonade, aka the Grimonade, named after our boy Grimm's. Chocolate Danish, cheese Danish, and chocolate croissant. I'm an idiot sometimes, leave me alone. And disgusting coffee, of course. What is it?
Blonde roast.
Blonde roast. I don't drink coffee. Anyone doesn't know that. Now you know. Man's got a 2-croc wheel gap.
Oh
Or a 2-croc fucking bumper gap. Two crocs. Can you fit a croc in here? I can fit a van in here. Hold on. I can fit one van in there. Can you fit a croc?
Oh,
You got a 1-croc wheel gap.
That's how we measure it these days, you know?
We go based on crocs and vans.
Hold on, I got you guys. This is how you really lower your car.
Damn! He comes a wheel gap.
I heard that. I heard that. I heard that. Don't move.
I got a suction cup, fam. We can fix your fucking. We got some PDRP with my suction cup.
It's alright, I got my butt cheeks for that.
Damn, fam. Move. Hey. You trying to buy some Pokemon cards, man?
Yeah, sure.
Hey, what you got?
Got a quarter.
That's how you come out on top, baby. Money makes the world go around. Fun fact, I fit in my trunk. It's my life.
Two bodies can.
Two bodies.
Plane, you won't let me in.
You want to get on, Adriel, or what? Come on, baby.
Plane, you're saying this now.
Hey, baby, you want to have a
actually initiate?
you want to have a good time? No.
No. Wait.
Croc test.
Croc test.
Hold on.
Does it pass?
Oh, he's got both croc.
Pass.
Oh wait. Two croc.
No, it's just one croc.
One croc.
Just one croc.
Take it to mine.
Hi, fam. Look at this dude.
Get a fucking put his shoe back on. Where's that? What is that?
Well, the back's lower than the front.
No, it's not.
Go to the front. Go to the front. Go to the
No,
front.
stay in the back.
Go to the front. You can still fit one croc. Oh,
one
you and Chin's got the same gap, bro.
Bro, we could probably use these to roll them out.
We can roll fenders.
Roll out the fenders. We could do that.
I have a fender roller if you guys really want to roll some fenders.
I don't want to roll out my fenders.
Why not?
Because I'm a good side stretch.
What's that to do with anything?
Side stretch are going to give it a more aggressive
What the fuck?
aerodynamics too.
All the boys. Can you see him? Oh, what a view. Shoo. Hey, fam. Hey, fam.